Hello everybody, and today we have a review on the YuSu R. This 4x4 cost $11 at Speedcube.se, which is a really good price for a 4x4. The corner cutting on this cube is decent. You can corner cut about one piece, and that's okay for a 4x4. Lockups on this cube is really rare, but sometimes the inner layers can lock up a little bit, but that's not a big problem. The turning on this cube is really fast and sandy. I really like the fast feeling because there is not that many 4x4 with that speed. The turning is like a mix of the Shengshao and Shengshao wind, and I really like the feeling. Out of the box, this cube was extremely fast, but after I've lubricated it with Speed Lube from Speedcube.se, it turns really well. This 4x4 has the standard size of 62mm. And now it's time for the last and biggest question. Do I recommend this cube? Yes, I do. I'm not the biggest fan of 4x4 and I'm not really good. I average around 1.5 minutes and that's not so good. But yes, I do recommend this cube. The price is really good, only $11, and that's kind of a budget 4x4, but the performance is amazing. I really like the fast turning and it do not lock up too much. And yeah, I think if you want a 4x4 that perform really good and you get it for a really nice price, this should be perfect for you. This 4x4 is my new main and it's really good. If you want to buy this cube, you can buy it at Speedcube.se for a really good price of $11. So link is in the description and you can use the code CubeTwins to get 5% off. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of the solve.